Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to manage user interface. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to user interface. Here you can change interface text size. You can enable or disable simpler fonts, capitalize keywords. You can change color blind preset. You can enable or disable increased contrast colors. Then you can manage HUD visibility, icon size, background. You can enable player compass and center dot. Next, you can change Nix quick actions mode. You can adjust markers, distance units, control reminders, threat sense, enemy state icons. In the end, you can rotate map to player view and you can manage menu narration. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.